And before we do that, I'm actually doing this video in Athi River, at the Honeydew Gardens apartment, the ones I've always advertised here. So I came from Kisumu yesterday and landed at JKIA. It only takes 15 minutes to be here. And then tomorrow, because I had a few businesses to run in town, so tomorrow morning I'll be taking the SGR to Mombasa. So again, it's very convenient and the rates are affordable. You'll get a 4-bedroom apartment at 4,500. 4-bedroom apartment, very nice. If you know that place, it's a very nice place. You will get a 3-bedroom apartment at 4K, and you'll get a 2-bedroom apartment like the one I'm spending my night on. I've actually paid 3,500 to spend in it. So you can always try their services whenever you are here in Nairobi and you want to transit, if you want any convenience, to JKIA. So the contacts are running below there.